Good morning everybody. Welcome to DPS Dhaka. My dear students, today in this lecture I am going to teach the student of class 10th the third chapter of mathematics, that is linear equation, the pair of linear equation in two variable. So in this chapter we have to study, this is chapter 3 and the name of the chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. In the previous lecture we discussed about various types of polynomial, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So what do you mean by linear polynomial and linear equation? For example, if I write px is equal to x plus 5, here the maximum power of this polynomial is 1. So degree of the polynomial is 1, therefore it is a linear polynomial. Which type of polynomial it is? Linear polynomial. Similarly, if I write px is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5, this is a polynomial having power 2. So therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, if I write px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 10. So this is a cubic polynomial. Which type of polynomial it is? Cubic polynomial. So, but in this chapter we have to study about linear. This is a polynomial which is having only one type of variable. It is having only one type of variable, only having x type of variable. Here it is x only, here it is x only. But in this chapter we have to, in this third chapter we have to study about the various type of we have to study about the pair of linear equation. Actually we have to study the pair of linear equation in two variable. So if I write 3x plus 5y is equal to 10, or if I write 5x plus 10y plus 35 is equal to 0. So this is an equation. Here it is a equal to sign here, therefore it is a equation. Equal to sign, therefore it is a equation. And there are two variables used in this equation. One is x and the other is y. So therefore it is a equation having two variable, and it is called linear equation in two variable. Why? Because the power of the variable is 1. Power of the variable is 1 here, and 1 is not written, it is hidden. If I write 10x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to plus 50 is equal to 0. If I write like this, this is a linear equation in three variable. Here we have used x, y and z. So this is a linear equation in three variable. Similarly, this is a linear equation in two variable. This is a linear equation in two variable. So what is the standard form of a linear equation? A standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form of linear equation in two variable. A standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c. If we have to write two pair of linear equation in two variable, we will use here a, b and c. What are these? A is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, c is constant term. So this is the standard form of a linear equation in one variable. Here in this chapter we have to study about the pair of linear equation and about their solution. So if I write pair of linear equation in two variable variable. So here we will write a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation, first linear equation. If I write the second linear equation, we write a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So we have written a standard form of a pair of linear equation. There can be many examples. For instance, if I write 3x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0, and for example, if I write 5x plus 10y plus 15 is equal to 0. If you compare this standard form of equation with this, so here the value of a1 is 3, value of b1 is 5, value of c1 is 10, value of a2 is 5, value of b2 is 10, and value of c2 is 5. So in this chapter actually we have to learn about the solution of a pair of linear equation. Solution of a pair of linear equation, and we have to also learn how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variable. So we have to learn how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variable, and also we have to learn to find out the root or the solution of a pair of linear equation. So what is the meaning of solution of a pair of linear equation? So first of all, I will make you understand what is the meaning of solution of pair of linear equation. You know, solution of pair of linear equation represents a point on the Cartesian plane. Solution of a pair of linear equation represents a point on the Cartesian plane. So in this chapter we have to learn about the drawing graph. So first of all, graph of a linear equation is a straight line. Graph of a linear equation is a straight line. We have already learned in the previous chapter. Graph of a linear equation is a straight line. Suppose we have graph of one linear equation is like this, and the graph of the another linear equation is like this. This is representing another linear equation, and this graph is representing another. For example, this is representing 3x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0, and this graph is representing this graph is representing 5x plus 10y plus 15 is equal to 0. So both of this graph is cutting somewhere here. So this point is representing the solution of these two pair of linear equation. This point on the Cartesian plane represents the solution of pair of linear equation. This point is representing, suppose this point is having value of x is equal to a and value of y is equal to b. So this x is equal to a and y is equal to b is the solution of this pair of linear equation. Now we will actually go to the exercise and solve the questions one by one, so that you can understand these questions in the better way. We have to learn about the graph, about drawing graphs. So the better way will be to solve the questions one by one. So in the first exercise, No, I will discuss one thing more here. What do you mean by no solution? Suppose we have a pair of linear equation. If graph of both the line, both the pair of linear equation are cutting somewhere. If the graph of both the linear equation is crossing somewhere, then it means one solution. If the graph of both the pair of linear equation are going parallel to each other, then it means no solution. Why? Because these two graphs are parallel to each other and they will never meet each other. So they will never meet each other, therefore there is no solution. Solution means if they cross each other, then that point is called the solution of the pair of linear equation. Actually, this point is representing both the graph. This point is lying on both the line. This point is lying on this graph also and on this graph also. Therefore, this point is called the solution of this pair of linear equation. Actually, we have two pair of linear equation. The value of x, which is satisfying both the equation, and the value of y, which satisfies both the equation, that is called the solution of a pair of linear equation. For example, if I have a value of x is equal to 3 and this x is equal to 3 is satisfying both the equation, and if we have a value y is equal to 5 and this y is equal to 5 is satisfying both the equation, then therefore this value of x and y is solution of the pair of linear equation. Understand? So here, if the graphs are going parallel, then it means no solution. And if the graphs are coinciding, if the graph of the one equation is like this and the graph of another equation is lying just above the graph of the previous equation, then these two graphs are lying one above the another. Therefore, in this case, all the points are coinciding of this graph. So this is called coincident graph, and here infinitely many solutions are present. How many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. So these are the graph which suggest whether there is one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions.